poop? Did you poop, Christian? You poop.
No. Poop. No.
You did poop, Charlotte.
No,
You boo-boo. Hey YouTubers, it's your girl, Miss Rachel Adina. So ladies, I'm getting ready to do a twist out. I haven't done one in forever. Cause honestly, I haven't felt like dealing with my hair. I mean, look at it. Like, it's frizzy. I got heat. I mean, you can tell where the heat damage is. Like, this is my roots, my real hair texture, and this is the heat damage. Of course, it gets a little bit curlier when it's wet, but when I put a little bit of tension on it, it just gets like bone straight. And I'm not feeling it. So what I'm gonna use for this twist out is the Curls Blueberry Bliss Twist and Shout. I'm gonna try this out again, but I'm gonna pair it with something different to see if I can get a longer hold for more days of the week.
Hey ladies, it's Rachel again. So what I'm doing is I'm just getting my hair a little wet. I'm using this Methods cleaner spray bottle because I've literally spent so much money on spray bottles and they've broken within a few weeks or a few months. So this Methods spray bottle is gonna have to do it for now. So I'm just getting my hair really saturated. What I'm noticing is that with this TGIN Super Moist Tea Tree, whatever you want to call it, I put it on my hair when I did my bun for the week. And I'm noticing that my hair was a little bit drier than what I'm used to when I use other leave-in conditioners. But I know leave-in conditioners are not meant to be used alone, so I'm going to give it a chance. That's it. It's the Green Tea Super Moist Leave-In Conditioner. Super Moist is making some big claims, so let's see how this twist out turns out. And don't forget, all of my products, all of my tools that I'm going to be using is going to be in the description box below. So for all my natural newbies out there, what up, bad bestie, my cold diva? I actually like to do this leave-in conditioner method to get my hair started with the moisturizing process. It just really helps distribute the other products that I put in my hair thereafter. Besties, it's been so long since I've done a twist out in my hair, and I'm loving the shape, and my heat damage actually, as you can see, doesn't look that bad when my hair is wet. So I'm going to use a little extra virgin olive oil. I love using this oil on my hair. My hair seems to respond really well to this type of oil. Make sure you find the oils that works for you. Some that I recommend is, as I said, extra virgin olive oil, and jojoba oil is a great oil to add to your products and add to your routine. Ooh, so now that we have come out of the forest, after I have hydrated my hair with the TGIN and added a little bit of oil, I'm going to take small sections in the back and I'm just going to start twisting using this Twist and Shout Curl Cream from Curls. One thing I can say about putting the leave-in before, it really does help kickstart the detangling process because it just softens that hair and makes the knots come out a little bit better. So it's important that your leave-in does have some good slip, which this product does come through on. So now that I'm done with this twist, it's looking really good. I'm just going to add a little bit more of that Twist and Shout cream to the ends and to the shaft of the hair. Then I'm going to take out another section. Remember, parts don't matter, so don't waste your time doing them. I'm just going to add this product again to my hair and I'm going to start detangling. So continue to do this throughout your entire head. As you can see, it still helps with slipping and it's actually helping to clump my curls together, which seems to be pretty good. Hopefully this product turns out to be a win. So a quick tip on making sure that your twist out turns out great, make sure that you wind that hair up as much as you can as you twist down the shafts of your hair. You don't want the twist out to be loose or it won't turn out right. After that, you just twist it the rest of the way down and you have a beautiful twist ready to slay the next day. As you can see, I have some white residue on my hair. That is perfect. That's how you really test a product, okay? So as you can see, I'm just winding that hair up again to make sure that the twist is nice and tight, making sure that it follows the pattern of my twist and not getting frizzy. But I want to give you guys a little bit more of an in-depth review of this TGIN Moist. I like the way that it reacts on my hair. I felt like it was sitting on my hair rather than penetrating it. It got it wet, but I'm not sure if it's really going to moisturize it. So as you can see, I did a total of 21 twists in my head. I don't know where the extra one is on the other side, honey. I couldn't tell you. But my hair seems really hydrated. It has white residue, which is great at making sure that your hair has ample product and the greatest opportunity to not be frizzy. So just put your hair tie on and let your hair dry completely before unraveling. So Felicia's twists are completely dry, and she's getting ready to put a little bit of extra virgin olive oil on them ends to help with the frizz, and I'm gonna unravel just like this. As you can see, I mean, I feel like I got some definition. The twist definitely did create a pattern in my hair, but as far as shine, I don't know how I feel about it. I've used the curls by itself and I've gotten beautiful results. But using it with the TGIN, I feel like as if it undid the hold from the other product. I don't know. As you can see, my hair looks fluffy. It looks a little frizzy. For day one, this is like a fail for me. So with my stuttering, it is clear that I'm kind of stunned. This product was $15, and I don't know how a leave-in can make a twist out worse when you pair it with a cream that has been tried and true for you for the longest. So my overall review of this, you guys, is save your money and try something different. I think that a thick product that has a great moisture to oil ratio is ideal. And what I mean by moisture to oil ratio, they include enough oils to compensate for how much moisture they're implying that the product is going to put into your hair. So after this tedious twist out tutorial, I have to admit that it has been fully noted and understood that a super hydrating leave-in can undo the benefits of an awesome twist out cream for your hair. So sis, be careful. One thing I will mention is that I've never experienced something like this happen with a leave-in conditioner and a cream that I've used. So for $15, you've really hurt my feelings. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope it was helpful to you. Look in the description box below to find some of my tried and true leave-in conditioners and my combos that I love to use for my twist outs and braid outs and everything in between. Thank you so much for watching. God bless. Bye.